In this final tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add some standard animation moves to your characters. First of all, we need to load up something called the visor, which if we go to Window, General Editors, you'll see the visor. If we click on the visor, our visor is loaded up. Just up on the top here, you can see some different examples. The examples that I'm going to look for are the mocap examples. If I click the tab, you'll see some standard moves that we have in here. So what I'm going to pick first of all is dance. To import the dance mocap, if I right click and import file dance, and then minimize that, you'll see my mocap there that's going for the start of the dance routine. I'm going to pick Ali, my first character, and map him against the mocap. To do this, in the character controls, I select Ali, and this time in the source menu underneath, I'm going to click on my mocap example. You'll notice now that he takes on the same stance as the mocap. If I would like to move him again, if I click on the bottom there, I can move him around. There. To actually display the animation sequence, if I use the play button, play forwards, my character will start moving, and stop will stop. Now if you notice at the bottom here, the timeline has only 24 frames. This is set by this bar here and these times. I'm going to just change this, and I'm going to try to 180 frames. Maybe a bit too many, but I can always reduce that afterwards. And then I'm going to pull and drag this out. And then I'm going to play again. It seems to go on a little bit longer than 180, so I'm just going to put that to 210. And again I'm going to drag it out, and I can actually just grip on the time slider and I can move it manually and see how far he goes to the end of his routine. Still not far enough. 260, and try again. And he's still going. 300. And you can see now that's where his move finishes. So if I change that now to 277, I have now my full range of dance for Ali. If I send him back using the go to start button, you'll see now he does and copies the lookup for the full dance routine like that. Using the time slider, I'm just going to time right to the beginning. Now I don't want to see my mocap, so using the select tool, I'm going to select my mocap, and in display I'm going to hide selection, and I'm going to select it again, display, hide selection, and it's still there, but it's hidden. If I now play, and again I can zoom in, zoom out, and pan round as he's dancing. There. If I want, I could actually map all the rest of my characters to the same mocap example. Like that, and we are doing the same mocap example, and I can have them then all doing the same dance routine, but in different parts of the screen. Better. Now I did notice part way through the routine that two of my characters here came very close together. So what I'm going to do is I have Yorkie selected. I'm going to press my active control and I'm just going to move him away. Then I'll press play. That's a little bit better. I could, if I wanted to do have different moves for different characters. If I wanted dance 2, can I right click, import my dance file in. If I lower down the visor, you'll see my other dance character. This time with Yorkie selected, I'm going to change my mocap to the dance 2 example, and you'll see now he has matched the different character. If I press play, you can see now that Yorkie is doing a different. Now this character has less frames, so what you will see for the first few frames, Yorkie's moving, and then when the example stops, Yorkie stops. Just press stop. That is just an easy way to map a character, an existing mocap character movement through to one of your animation characters from Project